as can be. I can't go on, I can't go on, this job is not for me. The toys got out and pushed, but all in vain, alas, alack. And then a great big engine came a-whistling down the track. They asked if it would kindly pull them up the mountainside, but with a high and mighty sneer it scornfully replied, don't bother me to pull the likes of you. Don't